Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some fractions, simplifying a fraction, but in this fraction we've got denominators that do not equal each other, so we first have to find a lowest common denominator. So using the space on the right, I'm going to rewrite the question just so it's nice and neat and clear. Right, so what would we do here? Now the first thing we notice is we can't subtract the 1 from the x because this does not have a denominator of y. And remember the golden rule when it comes to adding and subtracting fractions, we always need a denominator that is the same. So in this case, we're going to try and find a lowest common denominator. And I'm going to write that out over here. So our lowest common denominator in this case, well, we know we've got a denominator of 1 here and y here. So the easiest way to do this is to change this 1 into a y. And to do that, we would have to multiply the denominator by y. So our lowest common denominator for this question is going to be y. Moving into the next step, we're going to say, right, we've chosen a lowest common denominator of y, and that is going to impact our numerators in the following way. Now, because this denominator is already y, it would mean that we've multiplied the denominator by 1. So we would have to multiply the numerator by 1. So 1 times x just remains x. Similarly, if we look at the second term, we know that we had a 1 over there, which we multiplied by y. But because we multiplied the bottom by y, to keep it balanced, or to keep it the same number, we need to multiply the top by y as well. So in that case, we're going to have 1 times y, which is going to be minus y. And that is the answer. We can't do anything more because if you look at our numerator, we've got two unlike terms, so we can't simplify them any further, and that will be the end of that question. Is there an option for us to select x minus y over y? That would be D, and that gets you a mark for this question. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find an answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.